It is D-Day. Today is the day that I'm flying to Singapore. So we've already cleared the house. See, it's empty except for the personal belongings that we will take. That still needs to be taken out. This bathroom is empty. The cupboards are all empty. Yeah, sa landlord yan. This only has Matt's luggage, the things he'll use and the things he will take. And these ones are going in the luggage too. That's mine. Medyo madami akong dala din. This has been emptied out yesterday. Muulan na naman, as usual. Ayun. I didn't know how to get rid of it, so it's still there. This will be given to my friend, DOV. So, pupunta siya dito mamaya. These are going to different friends too. That goes to rubbish na. That's all the rubbish. May natitira pang laundry na isasama sa luggage mamaya ni Matt. Yung water supplier namin hindi pinick up to, so this will stay here. Cleaning materials and the rest of the food. That's about it. I'm just waiting for Matt and then we can go to the airport. And I'll see you at the airport. Good morning. Nasa airport na ako. Actually, nasa boarding gate na ako. I'm flying through Scoot. I'm at gate 8. Ang aga ko gumising today. Gumising ako ng 4 a.m. Kasi I really wanted to make sure na everything's packed. Nalimos na lahat ng kailangan namin limasin sa bahay. And nagawa ko naman siya ng maayos. And hindi pa tapos. Matt is flying tomorrow at 1. So he'll do the rest na lang. So nagbayad ako ng fast track kasi famous naman ang Tansunat, ang Ho Chi Minh Airport sa kabagalan at kahabaan. And ever since I started using fast track, we never looked back. The best money you'll ever spend on. So if ever you'll be traveling here in Vietnam, make sure that you skip the line. You can pay for it through, meron sa Klook, pero I always book through Get Your Guide. Mas mura kasi, tsaka parang mas maraming availabilities. And since sila yung unang ginamit ko, hindi na rin naman ako naghanap ng iba kasi wala naman akong reklamo sa services nila. So yun, it was for, magkano ba yung binayaran ko? Parang 700,000 plus VND. And I got to skip the long line sa immigration. Pero sa check-in, ikaw pa rin. And sa security, ikaw pa rin. Luckily, since I'm flying through Scoot, hindi mahaba yung check-in counter. Parang 10 minutes lang. Pang-anim lang ako sa pila. Pang-5, pang-6. Mabilis lang. Tapos habang nakapila ko, naghihintay na yung agent ko who helped me sa pag-skip ng immigration. So after nun, dinala niya ako sa ibang counter for immigration, hindi dun sa normal na counter. Actually, although hindi ganun kahaba ngayon, aabutin ka siguro ng mga 45 to 1 hour yung haba ng pila sa immigration ngayon. Pero since I skipped, ay pumila ko sa ibang immigration officer. Lang 10 minutes, wala pa yata. Tapos hindi rin ganoon kahaba yung security check. today. Mga 15 minutes. Yun. Natagalan lang ako ng pag-ayos ng gamit ko because I have so many bags. I have a big backpack. This for the personal na need easy to reach, like passport and wallet and power bank. Tapos meron akong unan. Tapos this bag is very nice. May tag pa siya. Regalo sa akin ng friend ko si Christian. It's a local bag. It's Camellia. It's his gift to me, like giveaway gift. Not giveaway. Anong tawag doon? Going away. Not going away gift. May tag pa, oh. Hindi ko natanggal kasi naka-plastic pa to actually. Nasa yung lalagyan niya pa. Hindi ko siya malagay sa luggage kasi this one is hard. Hindi ko siya mag-fold. So, binitbit ko siya with the plastic bag that it was on. Tapos, pag lagpas ko sa security counter, edi tinanggal ko na, tapos nilagyan ko ng iba pang gamit. So, I have like 3 bags and a pillow. Which is fine. Tapos, yung check-in ko is 2 luggage. Isang medium, tsaka isang small. So, Vietjet Air. They are slowly taxiing. Tapos may Japan Airlines there. This is where my plane is gonna be. Siyempre hindi lang ako sakay nun, so our plane. Si Matt, he will fly later at 1 a.m. He'll fly through, ayan, Vietjet. Pero, I booked a premium fast track para sa kanya. So, sa premium fast track, magche-check-in pa rin siya through Vietjet na napakahaba. Laging blockbuster yung pila dyan. Pero, he'll skip immigration and security. Yung fast track naman is 1 million. Ayun. Dahil hinatid niya ako dito kanina. Nakita niya na agad yung mga mag-welcome sa kanya mamaya. So, they will be familiar with him. Hindi na sila mahihirapang hanapin siya. Although kanina hindi rin naman sila nahirapang hanapin ako dahil walang masyadong tao. Naghintay na lang sila na matapos yung check-in. So, si Matt, he will fly from here at 1. Papuntang Osaka. Tapos may long wait kasi yung flight na nakuha niya aalis pa lang ng anong oras ba? 2 yata. Parang 2 from Osaka to Sendai. Tapos dadating siya sa Sendai, Japan ng 4:10, which is the same flight I'll be on sa Tuesday. Sa Tuesday ako mapupunta ng Japan. So, ako from Singapore to Osaka din. Dadating ako doon ng mga just before 10. Tapos may long wait. Ang flight ko ng susunod is parang 2:55 yata or 2:45. Tapos same time yung arrival ko 4:10. Susunduin na lang daw ko ni Matt. Ganun. I don't know if you can see. Dahil nag-fast track nga ako. Ang aga-aga ko dito. Kanina pagdating ko, parang ako pa lang mag-isa. Actually, pangalawa. Ayun o, empty pa. Wala pang ibang masyadong tao. Kasi, ang bilis ko nakarating. 9:10 pa yung flight ko. 7:10, nandito na ako. Nandito na ako. Ang tahimik pa dito. Wala pang masyadong tao. We are boarding now. It's only zone 2, so I'll wait for my turn. Hindi kailangan magmadali. Yeah. That's it. Come on. We're through. We'll see kung gaano kapuno ang airplane. Medyo nagugutom na ako. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast because this morning I've been so very busy. Ah, Philippine Airlines. I'll try na kumain sa plane if may masarap. If not, sa Singapore na. Naalala ko lang bigla na may natitira pa pala akong cash. Sayang yan. Papapalit ko na lang siguro sa Singapore. If hindi ko magagamit sa plane.
Okay. I want to talk.
Toast.
Yeah, we're right.
That's my seat. Thank you. Can I also put this up? Thank you so much. I've arrived. This is the Changi, the Singapore airport. I just need to go through immigration. Then my sister is waiting for me on the other side. I'm so hungry. Di pa ako nagpa-breakfast. I woke up at 4, diba? And it's now 12. 1 actually. Ano na ito na? 12 dito sa Singapore. 11 sa Vietnam. 17. See where my luggage is. Okay, we are good. Now let's find my sister. Gutom na talaga ako. Kain muna tayo. Yan lang dala mo? Oh, perfect. Matutulungan mo ako. Siyempre. 3-course feast. Ayaw mo ba dito? Mga chicken. Puro chicken to eh.
Dito na.
Ito na lang kasi I'm so gutom. Para mag-ikot-ikot pa. Ulit yata yan. Tara. Sa loob tayo. Pwede bang dalhin to? Can I take this inside? Okay. Can I have a table for 2?
This one cannot bring in. Yeah.
What?
This trolley luggage cannot bring in to the
I understand. Where do you want me to put the trolley?
to the side, please.
Okay, thank you. No, leave lang yung bag ko dyan. Ilang kilo lahat to? Ano lang? 30. $30 lang lahat yan. 29. Sakto lang yung... sakto lang yung pinabook ko. So this is Pulet. Pulay? Anong basa? Pulet. P-O-U-L-E-T. Sa tabi lang ng... Di ba falls na yon? Banda doon. Tabi ng falls.
Vortex.
Ito yung... Ano nga to? Half chicken with mushroom sauce. Plus 2 sides. Mushrooms and mixed greens. Order ako ng French iced chocolate. Carry lang, nothing special. This is
Chicken carbon.
creamy carbonara. We found the hole. So beautiful. Tara. Daming tao. So many people around here. Maganda talaga ng Singapore Airport, no? So pretty guys sa taas. What? What about? Ayun. Nasa walkway. Finally! Oh, ang laki! Tara na! Thank you for your help. Ang daming bagahe. Pero pa dito. As we're looking for the train. Ayun, Sky Train. MRT station at T2. Ganda talaga ng Singapore Airport. No? Ang bango. Walang-wala ang Tansanat at Naiya.
Cheap kasi nakaupo ka lang. Pero sa Singapore,
Yung magtipid ka like, drink 3-in-1. Pero sa Hong Kong, nakita na namin ang train to city. So we took this Sky Train from Terminal 1 to Terminal 3, and then now we're going to take the train to the city. So we'll get the Singapore tourist pass. $6. We have $6. 1 day pass. Okay. We need 22, 23, 45. 4 or 5 days. Ayun na. 1 day pass, 17. 2 day, 24. Ha? Oo.
yung isa-isa.
Ito na, unlimited na to eh. Ilan lang? 4, 5. 22, 23, 24, 25. Ngayon pa. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5 days. Kuha na lang kami ng ticket here instead of the unlimited. So, place your card to begin. Dito ba? O dito? Saan ba dapat? Place your card to begin. At the... Okay. Okay, yeah, I know. So, what do I need? Anong gagawin ko? Huh? card lang every time na gagamit tayo kasi nandito kami ni Matt. Nagtatap lang ng credit card eh.
Ayun din yung nakita ko sa TikTok.
Oh, yun na lang.
Kasi nagtataka ko ba't bibili pa tayo ticket.
Okay, so we need to look for the green line. From here, we have to go to, eto, green, to Tanamera. Ayan, city via AW4 Tanamera. We need to go to Tanamera and then change trains. Follow mo lang yung colors. Let's try yung card mo. So I'll use my Security Bank card. Oh.
Gcash lang malakas.
Security Bank malakas. Ang cute ng cup niya, oh.
Makarating to ng Taiwan.
So this is going to Tanamera, no? This one. Ano? Changi Airport. Tapos dadaan siya ng Expo. Tapos Tanamera. Huwag kang humarang. Yun na lang tayo. Gusto mo pa bang umupo? Mabilis lang eh.
Isa lang.
Luwag.
DT Bukit.
So from here,
Expo.
lipat tayo ng, bababa tayo ng, kala ko, ano, Tanamera.
Tanamera yung way.
Ah, okay.
Tapos,
Bababa tayo ng
Expo.
Expo. Tapos, change platform.
Deep
Blue line naman. Okay. Tapos, baba ng
MRT na.
Bencoolen. Nasa Expo na kami. And bumaba kami para mag-take ng, ano take natin? Downtown line. Ito, downtown line. Pababa pa. Isa pang baba, yeah. Ticket. B2. B2.
Are you also going to catch the DT line, the blue line?
Yeah. Okay. We'll follow you. Link to platform downtown line. Ah, ang daming baba. Galing ko, no? Ako pala yung susundan nila. Ah... Ha? Ayan na. Going to Bukit Panjang. There. Ah! Malalaglag pa. Ay, nako. Ito na naman tayo. Sige na. You can do it. Pag nalaglag yan sa akin, babagsak lahat. Nakakapagod. Pati na lang. Okay. Saan tayo papunta? Anong street? Bencoolen Street Middle Road o sa Bras Basa Road? Kaliwa? O kanan? Saan papunta? Ayun, Middle Road. Nakita ko na. Ito. Nasaan tayo? Ito. So, from here, dapat dito tayo. Kanan. Tapos, kanan. Tapos, middle road, middle road, middle road. Ayan, middle road. Ha? Ano no? Sorry. Oh, we didn't see. It's okay. Just a few steps. Thank you. Ah. Ah.
Kamay lang yun.
Oo. May nagbabasking. You are here. Futuristic installation. So
You want to take picture, you can actually stand behind.
oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
We just want to know what this is.
Yeah, so this is actually the artwork of this. This is like our Singapore one and only neon artist.
Oh.
Yeah, so here is Bugis, right? So
Yeah.
Bugis in history time, we used to be the shoreline.
Mm.
So Singapore is like celebrating our 60 years of independence. So in a way, this is like part of the SG60.
Oh.
Yeah, and also to coincide with the night festival, that's why we have this.
Oh, that's so
Yeah.
cool.
So this is like fishtail for people to stand behind, take picture, and this is like wave.
All right.
Yeah, sea, beach, right? So we have wave. So it depicts like Singapore progress.
Oh, awesome. That's very
Yeah.
interesting.
That's right. And a lot of people fail to notice there's actually like a neon signage over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, what does
Alright.
it say? It says it's like neon signs are a splash on the skyline. It's actually to make fun of our Singapore Straits Times, the newspaper article. 1993, there's this neon signs are of light on the
Right.
skyline. Light meaning like foil.
Mm-hmm.
So back in the olden days, right, you can see neon signage advertisement everywhere
Yeah.
in Singapore. Yeah, so because a lot of people was like complaining, it makes our skyline look cheap. So gradually it starts to like came out of it. And why do you see this on the floor instead of like high up?
Yeah.
It's like a satire. It's like the billboard has been smashed to the ground.
Ah.
So that's a
That's so
meaning
smart.
behind it.
Well, thank you so much for
Yeah.
explaining it.
No problem.
I hope you have a good night.
You too.
Ang bait niya, nag-explain pa talaga siya.
Volunteer pa siya.
Eh, pag love mo yung country mo, pwede kang mag-volunteer. Love mo ba yung country mo?